In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit on Binance. We'll walk through a clear, safe way to move crypto from another wallet or exchange into your Binance account, and I'll share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, open Binance and go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. This is your main balance page. Here, tap or click Deposit. You'll see different deposit choices. Make sure you're on the crypto option because we're bringing in digital assets from another wallet rather than adding cash with a bank card. Next, choose the coin you want to receive, like BTC or USDT. After selecting the coin, you must pick the network. This choice must match the network you'll use on the sending wallet. For example, if your other wallet is set to send USDT on a specific network, choose that exact same network here on Binance. Networks are the blockchains that carry your transaction, and sending on the wrong one can lead to a permanent loss of funds. Take a moment to confirm that both sides show the same network before moving on. Binance will now show you a deposit address and often a QR code. You can copy the address or scan the QR from your sending app. If the screen shows any extra requirement like a memo, tag, or destination note, include it exactly as displayed when you send. Skipping required fields can result in your deposit not arriving. Now switch to your other wallet or exchange. Start a withdrawal or send, paste the address you copied, and make sure the network matches what you selected on Binance. Double-check the first and last characters of the address, verify the amount, and review any fees. When everything looks right, confirm the send. At this point, your transaction will travel through the network. Processing time depends on network congestion and the number of confirmations required. You can usually track progress with a transaction ID from your sending platform. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Fiat and Spot balance. If you prefer to add funds using person-to-person methods, Binance's P2P section lets you filter offers by payment method. Common options include bank transfers, where you move money from your bank to the seller's bank account, and various e-wallets that may be available in your region. Offer availability depends on the individual seller, so always check the filters to find a method that works for you. That's it. Go to Wallet, choose Deposit under Fiat and Spot, select Crypto, pick the coin in the correct network, copy the address or scan the QR, and send from your other wallet or exchange. Stay careful with networks and any required tags, and your deposit should arrive smoothly.